You run up your debts and you are married a young youth, bring him up, come to America, England or Canada, and then you expect the man to pay down your debts. I don't think so. You should have paid off your debts first. But on the other hand, if the man love you, the man will work and help you pay down the debts. This is the crazy thing about it. Some of these ladies can't change because you don't know how to control your spending. Go into a third world country and find a man and bring the man with you will not curtail your spending habits. He will not control your spending addiction. Because maybe the man where you find is a man who is a financially conservative person, helping you to pay down the credit cards, and only to find out you took out 3 more credit cards. Him doing 2, 3, 4 jobs to help you out of the catastrophic debt cycle or debt black hole pit that you have put yourself in. You are now shoveling back the same gravels or debris in the pit. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again. How are you guys doing on this beautiful day? Getting ready to feed my birds them. Yeah. Just putting out some feeding for the birds because there's nothing on the trees for them to really eat. So make some provision for them. Got some ground doves, some lapwings, some pigeons, some blackbirds, some squirrels. All you can think of come around this time of year. Because they know some are feeding for them. You see it? Yeah, see that? Yeah. Good morning to my lovely viewers wheresoever that you are across the world. Greeting and blessing and prosperity to all of you. Carla Williams, we see your comment. We see your comment. You see it. Don't know if you are a subscriber. You're probably not. But much love, much respect. Just say I would give you a shout out. Big up yourself. You know the thing. You see it. I will still do the videos them. Alright? But anyway guys, we want to jump in the video because we got something to talk about. But yo, Brian, Stephen, big up on yourself, my hunter friends. Yo, thank you for the hunter hat. I know the other day we go hunting and it's like the deers them hear the Jamaican accent and them take off. But I guess they never heard a Jamaican before, so them take off. But anyway, best luck next time we can get a deer or something like that, you know. That's how we go. Alright? But anyway guys, here what's going on. So somebody brought a topic to my understanding and I kind of say, alright, I'm going to bring it to the viewers them. And let's see if we can hear them opinion and them 2 cents on the topic. If a lady is in the United States, let me use United States because a United States meaner right now, and she has been racking up debts, flying through credit cards, racking up debts and everything, and you know, file chapter 1 bankruptcy, bankruptcy 1, bankruptcy 2, bankruptcy 3, bankruptcy 4, and she still revert back into using credit cards and going into debts, have a lot of debts back up. You know, this is the question I would like to ask. If that same lady go to Jamaica and meet a Jamaican man, marry the Jamaican man, bring the Jamaican man to live with her in the United States, is it expected of that Jamaican man to work 3 jobs, 4 jobs and pay off that lady's debt? If you are overseas, whether you're a man or a woman, and you are not really financially focused, like you don't know how to control your spending habits, you're addicted to spending, you love to blow every dollar you get, you cannot keep money in your account, you don't like to see money sit down in the piggy bank, you just believe that every time you have to go shopping, every credit card company that send you an offer, you take it and you go rack up the debts and you end up in a problem. Maybe sometimes you file for bankruptcy and order them something. This is the question. Do you think it is right for when you meet a man from a third world country, is the responsibility of the man when you bring the man come to your country to pay down your debts? Is it the man's responsibility? No, I believe in couples working together and reaching to the utmost goal of financial stability where they can balance out themselves and achieve better in life. But when you overseas all the years of your life, spending like crazy, cannot save nothing, you don't got no money in your account, and all of them something there. And so you can't find a man in your community, in your surrounding, because them know how you stay. Say, yo, you cannot save a dollar. You cannot put on a cent. You don't own nothing. You live in a basement. You sleeping on your friend couch and all of them or something there. When you go to Jamaica, I'm using Jamaica because it's Jamaica where I'm from, so I'm going to use Jamaica as an example. Say you go to Jamaica and you meet a youth. You say you fall in love with the youth and the youth fall in love with you. You go through all the process of petitioning and filing for the youth. You know, and you bring the youth come to your country. Do you expect that youth to work and pay off your debts? I believe in working together, but you cannot expect that is the man responsibility, because you run up your debts and you are married a young youth, bring him up, come to America, England or Canada, and then you expect the man to pay down your debts. I don't think so. You should have paid off your debts first, clear up your bankruptcy, make sure so yourself sort out before you bring somebody in the relationship. But on the other hand, if the man love you, the man will work and help you pay down the debts. But this is it, guys. Some of these ladies can't change because you don't know how to control your spending. Go into a third world country and find a man and bring the man with you will not curtail your spending habits. He will not control your spending addiction, because maybe the man where you find is a financially conservative person. He really analyze everything before him start spend, and some people may say them a miser or whatsoever, but probably him say, yo, him can't just get up and just throw away money upon something, so he's thinking about the rainy day. And that man, you and that man get together, and this man now realize that he's doing 2 jobs, 3 jobs, helping you to pay down the credit cards, and only to find out you took out 3 more credit cards. Think that relationship gonna last? It's not gonna last. There's gonna be too much stress and tension, because him doing 2, 3, 4 jobs to help you out of the catastrophic debt cycle or debt black hole pit that you have put yourself in. It's gonna be hard for both of you to achieve that goal, because you are now shoveling back the same gravels or debris in the pit. You have a lot of ladies that are living overseas. They do it. They're in the United States, they're in England, they're in Great Britain, and some of them, they get so used to the credit card way of life that them run up one credit card, and after they max it out, them go max out another one and probably have 50,000 in credit card debts, and then take out another credit card to go to Jamaica. While in Jamaica, using the same credit card to pull off and let it seem as if to the guy that they're trying to entice that them have money, when in fact they don't got no money. This is the 20th credit card that they are about to max out. Poor man, pure deception from the get-go. Bring the man come our country. Matter of fact, when the man come and when she take the man home, the man a realize say where she live or where she bring him, our friend house, she dey sleep on a sofa, and now they tell the man say, yo, we gonna work together to achieve something. Why is that? That is crazy, guys. I believe in both working together to achieve something better in life, but you can't be a spendthrift and pick up a spending conservative, bring him to your country, and then expect that this person should be the one to bring you out of debt. And while he's bringing you out of debt, you are still piling on debt on the relationship. That person is going to leave you, man. That person is going to leave you. Believe me, that person is going to leave you. No joke about it. They say that the world is about to go into another recession, And at the same time, you still got people that spend like them got money that max out credit card. This is it, man. If you know that you're a spendthrift and you know that you don't know how to control your spending, when you go to Jamaica and you look a man, tell the man your financial situation. Don't paint a image as if you got it. Then you marry the man, bring the man come to your country, and it's then and there the man realize say, you are a total spender. Tell the man the truth. Tell the man say you don't live nowhere. Tell the man say I want basement or I want attic, or you live with your sister, and tell the man say yo, you no got no money. Boy, you just try to start off life. Tell the man the truth. Don't use a credit card to entice the man and to make it seem as if you got it, and then when you file for the man and bring the man come in your country, at this time the man will go find out see pure deception, pure deceit, pure lie. Relationship is going to be a seriously toxic relationship. Some of you probably in it right now. Some of you probably was in it before. The man cannot be working his ass off to help you out of your financial hole that you put yourself in. And while he's taking you out of the hole, you are shoveling back the debris down in there and cover him down there with more debts, piling up more debts upon him, more than what he even came and saw you in. A lot of people go use a credit card and go on vacation, which nothing is wrong with using a credit card to go on vacation, because a lot of people don't got cash. But don't use the credit card as a deception to trick the youth them in a Jamaica to make them think say you got money. Don't trick the youths them. If you meet a youth in a Jamaica and you love the youth and the youth love you, before it come in, make the youth know the truth. Then when he come, you blindside him. And he now start questioning and say, yo, I trick me. He not gonna stay with you. Well, if him love you, he will work with you. And some of you probably say, yeah, him deceive him because he was hungry belly and him licky. He got what he deserve. In a sense, I understand what you're saying, guys. But yo, we have to be realistic, man. We have to be realistic. If you're going in a relationship, you have to be forthcoming with the thing. The relationship cannot be founded upon deception and lies and deceit, and after we entice them and draw them in, and when them realize say yo, a pure deception this relationship is found up in, that relationship is gonna be very chaotic. That man not gonna stay with you. And I am in the United States and I see it how you have some persons how them live in America totally different than how them portray themselves when them go to Jamaica. Totally different. You have a lot of, not even middle income, you got a lot of people that in America that are being held together by the government safety net. And you see when them go on vacation, them act as if them got money. Now, a person reserve the right to do whatever that they want to do. If they want to look rich, them look rich. If they want to look poor, they want to look poor. At their choice. But you got a lot of them in the United States right here. They don't got it. And them buy clothes and them buy shoes and them look rich and them step on the plane and them go down to Jamaica with one credit card where them just get with probably $6,000, $10,000 upon it. And them down there a spend and make it look like so them got it. Guys, some of them don't got it. They don't got it. You see it? And sometimes when a woman come down to Jamaica and the woman show interest in you, yo, don't crawl up in your shell and don't ask questions. Ask questions. Ask the woman what kind of job she do. Ask her where she live. Make sure show you picture where she live. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions, because you see sometimes when we don't ask questions, and when we get blindsided, that is the time we say that is the time some of us start talk. Say, boy, if me did know, don't be afraid to ask questions. Not because the woman come from abroad and a spree and a spend money for you. Don't let the spending take away your voice or your opinion. And that is the time you need to ask questions, because the spending can be a distraction from the deceptions and the lie, and it's not joke. But anyway, guys, if you like the topic, reach out to me in the comment section. I will get back to you, and then we can talk in the comment section. Because you know the thing go. That's how we do it. You know, we come for reason. We come for educate the youth them. And we come to talk about some topics what some people don't want to talk about. And it's so you go. Be safe on the journey. Bless up with yourself, guys. Thanks again. Big up to all of the channel members, them subscribers, you know, large. You see how we go. Much love, much respect to all of you every time. And thanks again for the support. All right. We just reached 11,000 and counting, and it only was made possible because of you guys continue supporting the channel. So keep on doing the good thing. And I will keep on doing my thing. All right. Have yourself a blessed one. Bye bye.